up, y'all? All right, I'm back with another video, and I wanted to share Amaya's lock journey with you guys. Please start this video off with thumbs it up, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video everywhere. All right, so this stylist by the name of Nicole from Nicole Natural Styles Inside Salons by JC. She just washed Amaya's hair. This is Amaya's like 6th retwist. I haven't been recording all of her retwists, but this is the 6th retwist. I think we ended off with like number 3. But Amaya has been locked, I believe, for like 5 months. I believe it's been 5 or 6 months. All right, and so here she separated her locks, and now she's just like separating and making the parts cleaner right here. Okay, I'm just gonna do a talk through this video. I might mess up, I'm sorry y'all, but this wasn't supposed to be a voiceover, but it is now. And Maya's in a lot of pain because they literally, to clean up your parts, they literally rip your hair. And I was like, oh my God, I could not. She literally shed a tear during this, but she said that this is the best twist that she's had. So I'm glad she's happy with them. But the next time she gets her hair twisted, I believe we're gonna do interlocks, because you guys in the comments told me that since she's playing sports, that would be a better decision for her, because then she could, you know, keep her parts longer, and they actually last. The interlocking retwist lasts for 2 months, so that's good. Because right now she's having to get her hair twisted every 2 weeks, it seems like, y'all. Like, it'd be right back looking puffy in 2 weeks with no parts. So she's just going through now. She's twisting and pinning it down, and I'm so glad I recorded this because I can do this. Like, this is super duper easy. I'm learning every time I see it. So I think next time y'all are gonna see me retwist her hair, unless she's getting interlocks, and I think I can do that too, y'all. So yeah, what she's doing, she's going through each one, and she's actually combing the roots. I didn't do that the last time I twisted her hair. I didn't even know you could comb the roots. So that's something new that I've learned. But yeah, this stylist and salon, it is in Houston, Texas, and the address, let's see if I have the address, it's 16742 Southwest Freeway in Sugar Land, Texas, y'all. If y'all want to go to her telephone number is 346-313-7111. And we found her, my sister actually found her off Instagram, so we're glad we found her. But she says she doesn't do interlocks. She doesn't do them, but she does know somebody who does them and does them very, very well. She actually told me about an experience that she had when she was doing interlocks, and the lady did them wrong. So yeah, she made sure that she referred me to someone who wasn't gonna do them wrong. But yeah, she's doing a good job, and she's taking her time, and she's using the Talila Wajid I guess locking cream or something. Everybody uses this, whatever she's using, but it's by Talila Wajid. I hope y'all can hear me good. I was telling Maya that she needed, that she should get her hair styled. She doesn't want to do it, y'all. I hope she at least does it for prom. She just likes them to be hanging free. And she's self-conscious about her forehead. Look, I was showing y'all her leg. She's in pain. Poor thing. I feel so sorry for her. Alright y'all, so now she is putting her under the dryer for about an hour, I believe this was. So it can dry all the way through. And this is the final results, y'all. I am so pleased. It looks really good. And the puffing, y'all, is normal because she hasn't even been with these dreads for a year yet. So I was told that the puffing and like the frizziness is normal. And look how great she twisted them. Ooh, you could see a little bit of blood on her scalp. I don't know if y'all saw that or not. I guess that's probably from the ripping of her hair. I swear y'all could not go through this at all. Make sure y'all thumbs up this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video everywhere. Make sure y'all follow me on Yummy Bites TV.